SpaceX's Starship Odyssey, a Pacific landing. As dawn breaks, a new silhouette graces the Hawaiian horizon. It's SpaceX's Starship, the future of interplanetary travel. Rocketing from the cosmos, Starship heralds a new era. Its mission, to make multiplanetary life a reality, starting with a controlled descent. Hurtling through Earth's atmosphere, Starship conducts a flip maneuver. A ballet amidst the stars, displaying aeronautical prowess never seen before. Soon, the Pacific Ocean cradles the colossal wonder. The landing is a spectacle, a plume of water jets skywards, marking a successful touchdown. This unprecedented feat is not just about reaching new frontiers. It's about returning safely, showcasing Starship's reusability, a cornerstone of SpaceX's vision. As night falls, Starship rests in the Pacific's embrace. Tomorrow, it journeys home, ready for its next celestial voyage. With this, SpaceX redefines the boundaries of human achievement. Starship's Pacific touchdown, a leap towards our multiplanetary future.